हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। सो आज की वीडियो में हम 8 सितंबर से लेके 14 सितंबर 2025 के टॉप 50 इंपॉर्टेंट वीकली करेंट अफेयर्स गो थ्रू करने वाले हैं। सो आज का पहला क्वेश्चन, Irfan Ali has been re-elected as the president of which country? And the correct answer is Guyana. Second question, who has won the women's singles title at the US Open 2025? And the correct answer is Aryna Sabalenka. Third question, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Skechers? And the correct answer is Mohammad Siraj. Fourth question, which country has supported India's Strait Malacca Patrol Plan? And the correct answer is Singapore. Fifth question, who has inaugurated the green hydrogen project at Tuticorin port? And the correct answer is Sarbanan Sonowal. Sixth question, which Indian film has been officially selected for the Gange Sur Scene Festival to be held in Paris? And the correct answer is Goodbye Guruji. Seventh question, Shigeru Ishiba was the Prime Minister of which country who has resigned? And the correct answer is Japan. Eighth question, David Lammy has become the Deputy Prime Minister of which country? And the correct answer is United Kingdom. Ninth question, which country has renamed its Defense Department as the Department of War? And the correct answer is America. 10th question, India's first vulture knowledge portal has been launched in which state? And the correct answer is Assam. 11th question, recently which team won the Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? And the correct answer is India. 12th question, who became the first Indian to win World Youth Scrabble Championship title 2025? And the correct answer is Madhav Kamath. 13th question, where was National Ayush Mission NAM Summit 2025 held? And the correct answer is New Delhi. 14th question, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has launched Agnikar 2025 campaign under which flagship scheme? And the correct answer is PM Awas Yojana Urban 2.0. 15th question, where was India's largest lithium-ion battery manufacturing plant launched? And the correct answer is Haryana. 16th question, who is the author of the book Mother Mary Comes to Me? And the correct answer is Arundhati Roy. 17th question, which small finance bank recently celebrated its 9th anniversary on September 5, 2025? And the correct answer is Equitas Small Finance Bank. 18th question, in September 2025, which public sector bank has recently migrated its corporate website to the secure bank.in domain under RBI's guidelines and IDRBT's supervision? And the correct answer is Indian Bank. 19th question, who is the author of the book titled Operation Sindoor, the untold story of India's deep strikes inside Pakistan, recently launched by Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi? And the correct answer is KJS Dhillon. 20th question, which country's 203rd Independence Day celebrated on 7th September? And the correct answer is Brazil. 21st question. Which country has launched the Advanced Spy Satellite OPIC 19? And the correct answer is Israel. 22nd question. Who won the Italian Grand Prix 2025? And the correct answer is Max Verstappen. 23rd question. Which country has recently unveiled a colon cancer vaccine? And the correct answer is Russia. 24th question. Who has been appointed as the global ambassador of Levi's? And the correct answer is Alia Bhatt. 25th question. Who has won the men's singles title of the US Open Tennis 2025? And the correct answer is Carlos Alcaraz. 26th question. Who has won the Best Director Award in the Orizzonti section at the 82nd Venice International Film Festival 2025? And the correct answer is Anuparna Roy. 27th question. According to the Niti Aayog report, India aims to achieve self-sufficiency in the production of pulses by which year? And the correct answer is 2030. 28th question. International Literacy Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the correct answer is 8 September. 29th question. Investor Education and Protection Fund Authority IEPFA under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs recently launched Phase 2 of its flagship financial literacy initiative Niveshak Didi in which city? And the correct answer is Hyderabad. 30th question. Government of India recently introduced a Digital Hallmarking Unique Identification HUID system for which type of jewelry to strengthen consumer trust and ensure quality? And the correct answer is silver jewelry. 31st question. Who has become the richest person in the world September 2025? And the correct answer is Larry Ellison. 32nd question. Which Indian institution topped the FT Masters in Management Ranking 2025? And the correct answer is IIM Bangalore. 33rd question. Recently, who unveiled the AI-driven XL AUV Ghost Shark submarine? And the correct answer is Australia. 34th question. Who was elected as the 15th Vice President of India in September 2025? And the correct answer is C.P. Radhakrishnan. 35th question. Who was appointed as Chairman of the Governing Board of the National Stock Exchange? And the correct answer is Srinivas Injiti. 36th question. Who has been appointed as the Chairman of the Audit Bureau of Circulations ABC of India? And the correct answer is Karunesh Bajaj. 37th question. As per NPCI's revised rules, what is the maximum transaction limit allowed via UPI in 24 hours? And the correct answer is 10 lakh. 38th question. Who has been appointed as new Chief Executive Officer CEO of the Hero MotoCorp? And the correct answer is Harshvardhan Chitale. 39th question. In which state launch Phase 2 and 3 of the Godavari Water Project? And the correct answer is Telangana. 40th question. Where was the UPI UPU integration launched during the 28th UPU Congress? And the correct answer is Dubai. 41st question. In which country is the military exercise Japat 2025 being held with Indian forces participation? And the correct answer is Russia. 42nd question. India's first bamboo-based biorefinery completed by Engineers India Limited (EIL) is located in which state? And the correct answer is Assam. 43rd question. The 5th edition of the Lok Sambardhan Parv in 2025 was held in which city? And the correct answer is Kochi. 44th question. Government of India extended the tenure of Ajay Kumar Srivastava as the MD and CEO of which bank? And the correct answer is Indian Overseas Bank. 45th question. The upcoming space city in Andhra Pradesh will be established in which city? And the correct answer is Tirupati. 46th question. Who was honored with the Camel International Award 2025 for Global Business Leadership? And the correct answer is Yunus Ahmed. 47th question. India won bronze at the Central Asian Football Association CAFA Nations Cup 2025 by defeating which country? And the correct answer is Oman. 48th question. India had signed a $126.4 million loan deal with which organization to both sustainable tourism in Uttarakhand? And the correct answer is Asian Development Bank ADB. 49th question. Which ministry launched the beta version of Adi Sanskriti? And the correct answer is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. And the last 50th question. Who has announced his new book Different But No Less? And the correct answer is Anupam Kher.